the outskirts where the air is clear. A narrow prepared path, oh, what a dear. Cyclists glide by, it's a proper treat. Nature's embrace makes the journey sweet. Watch out for logging, don't get beat. Beauty surrounds where the wild meets the street. Far from the noise, where the trees sway, in a forest cabin where I'd love to stay, with treats in my hands, sipping tea with ease. Life unfolds gently in the whispering breeze. Tools available, perhaps for some seats. Nestled in comfort, making life's feats. Being followed by my drone, it starts to drift. Nearly hits a cable, oh, nature's gift. Sheep are displayed along the road, so mild. Each step brings memories, I feel like a child. Far from the noise, where the trees sway, in a forest cabin where I'd love to stay, with treats in my hands, sipping tea with ease. Life unfolds gently in the whispering breeze. The farthest north in Oslo, what a view. A beautiful landscape painted in hue, cultivated near art, cows doing their part, animals thrive well, oh, this warms the heart. As I pedal through shadows, the forest calls, every turn revealing nature's sprawling halls. The scent of pine and the rustle of leaves, a symphony of peace nature's weave achieves. Far from the noise, where the trees sway, in a forest cabin where I'd love to stay, with treats in my hands, sipping tea with ease. Life unfolds gently in the whispering breeze. Time to go back as the sun starts to fade. Local roads with horses, a tranquil parade. Another cyclist must be followed, then goodbye. Just over the bridge, as the city sighs, the rivers whisper stories, the stars peek through. Every moment cherished in this haven so true. Silence wraps around like a warm, gentle hug. In this part of Oslo, my spirit's truly snug. So here I am, on this winding track, a slice of Oslo, and I'll find my way back. In the calm of the woods, my spirit will thrive. In this northern haven, I truly feel